Today, we will use A4 paper to fold this paper airplane. First, make a half fold. Open it up and take this corner, fold this edge to the center crease. Fold the other side. And then take the top point and align the point with the bottom edge. Open up and then align this edge with the crease we just made. Okay, flip it over and then take the top point and align this edge. Align this edge with the new crease we just made. Slowly. Okay. Next, take the corner and fold this edge to the center. Start from about 1 centimeter from the center crease. Like this. Fold the other side. Okay, and then fold the triangle up and make a half fold. Next, we will fold the wings. Take the layers and from this point and fold. Make sure line this edge with this point. Flip it over and fold the other side. Okay, next we will fold this edge along this edge, just like this. And the other side. And then we will tuck the layer into the pocket. Okay. The plane is ready. Thank you. See you next time.